Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Vistech Technology. This is InfoComm Show 2026. Welcome to our booth. We are the LED screen manufacturer focused on the COB and MIP panel. Now I want to introduce the MIP outdoor rental event LED screen for outdoor stage rental event. This kind screen is a Sunlit mass as studios made by the COB technology. This kind LED screen had the pixel pitch 1.5 and 1.9. And this kind of screen big features that it can make the right angle and make curve. It's a waterproof, high brightness. The brightness over 4,000 nits. This one you see is 1.9. If you want to get more information, you can visit our website. Go follow our LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, so that you can get more information and contact with us. We can do local service. We had a warehouse in Los Angeles, and we have engineer around the United States to do the after-sales service. So, welcome to contact with us and follow us. Our website is vistechtechnology.com. Thank you so much.